Are you tired of choosing between great sound, killer noise cancellation, and affordability? What if you could get all three without spending $200 plus? The Anker Soundcore Liberty 4NC might just be the budget noise-canceling earbud champ of 2024. But is it too good to be true? In today's review, we'll put these earbuds through their paces to see if they live up to the hype, or if they're just another over-promising budget buy. Product Overview. The Anker Soundcore Liberty 4NC, released in mid-2024, is the latest addition to Soundcore's popular true wireless earbud lineup. Known for offering premium features at budget-friendly prices, Anker is targeting users who want flagship-level active noise cancellation, customizable sound, and solid battery life, all for under $100. These earbuds are designed for commuters, travelers, gym-goers, and anyone wanting top-tier features without breaking the bank. With LDAC high-res support, adaptive ANC, and a sleek new design, the Liberty 4NC promises to punch way above its price point. But does it deliver in everyday use? Performance. Let's get into real-world usage, because that's where earbuds either shine or fail. In daily testing, think subways, office chatter, outdoor walks, and even gym workouts, the Liberty 4NC held its own. The adaptive noise cancellation adjusts seamlessly to your environment, blocking out engine rumble and background noise almost on par with the Sony WF-1000XM5, which costs nearly 3 times more. Latency while watching YouTube or Netflix was minimal, and Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a reliable connection even when moving between rooms. For workouts, the IPX4 water resistance makes them sweat-proof, and they stay in place during runs thanks to the redesigned ear tips. The real surprise? Sound quality. With LDAC enabled, audio detail increases noticeably, and the customized EQ in the Soundcore app lets you fine-tune everything from bass punch to treble sparkle. Features and tech. The Soundcore Liberty 4NC doesn't just throw features at you, it delivers smart features that matter. Adaptive ANC 2.0 uses real-time environmental analysis to adjust noise cancellation. It's seriously effective, even beating the AirPods Pro 2 in some mid-range frequency blocking according to Sound Guys. High-res audio with LDAC. Audiophiles rejoice. You get access to high-res streaming on Android, bringing more nuance to your music. Hear ID Custom Sound. This creates a personalized EQ profile based on your hearing. Tailored sound, no guesswork. These features, especially at this price point, make the Liberty 4NC a standout in the sub-$100 category. Design and build. The Liberty 4NC sports a modern, STEM-style design, ditching the previous generation's chunkier aesthetics. Available in 5 colors, they're sleek, lightweight, and surprisingly premium feeling for the price. The matte finish resists fingerprints, and the case is pocketable with a satisfying magnetic lid. Comfort is also a win here. The oval-shaped tips nestle securely in your ear without pressure or fatigue, even after a 3-hour listening session. Pros: best-in-class ANC for under $100, LDAC support for high-res audio, excellent app-based customization, great fit and all-day comfort, solid battery life and wireless charging. Cons: no multi-point Bluetooth support, slightly compressed mic quality during calls, LDAC drains battery faster. Sound quality. Out of the box, the sound is warm and slightly bass-forward, perfect for pop, hip-hop, and EDM. But the true star is the custom EQ and Hear ID in the app, which unlocks rich mids and clear treble. With LDAC enabled, the Liberty 4NC steps into premium territory, offering a wider soundstage and better instrument separation. If you're on Android and stream from Tidal or Apple Music lossless, you'll notice the bump. iOS users miss LDAC, but the standard AAC codec still sounds very good for the price. Battery life is another high point. You'll get up to 8 to 10 hours per charge without ANC and 6 to 7 hours with ANC. Still very solid. The case brings the total up to 40 to 50 hours, and it supports USB-C fast charging and wireless charging. At just $99 MSRP, and often discounted to $89 to $89, the Liberty 4 NC offers unmatched value. You're getting ANC performance and features typically found in $200 plus earbuds. Considering the LDAC support, excellent ANC, customizable sound, and wireless charging, this is a budget juggernaut. If you're looking to stretch your dollar without sacrificing performance, this might be the best buy of 2024.